let's test out the changes that we made with regards to the battle scenes. So we last wrote the code to implement attacking our foe, which was the hyena or the boar, and there was a back and forth of going between attacking and selecting a weapon. So let's see how that works. So from our map, we can click on Start Playing, and let's head over to the simulator, and let's simulate from start.
Welcome to Jungle Escape. Would you like to start playing?
I'm going to hit yes.
While exploring the jungle with an expedition.
So we're not going to wait for it to be read out for us. Let's go ahead and skip ahead, and let's choose the left path.
After walking a few yards, coming charging towards you is a hyena, with teeth bared, and he is hungry. You cannot run away, and he is right on you. Do you draw your spear, or your machete?
So let's go ahead and draw the spear.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear. Your health is 7. The health of the hyena is 5. Do you draw your spear, or your machete?
So what you'll notice is that with the rule code, we actually got damage inflicted on us. So originally our health was 10, but now it's dropped to 7. And the reason is because the hyena attacked us, and it has an attacker damage of 3. So 10, take away 3 leaves 7, and that's what our current health value is. So again, since both the current health of the player and the attacker is above 0, we go back for another round, and we're asked if we want to draw our spear or our machete for this round. So let's try spear again.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear.
Oh no, it looks like we were unsuccessful there, and now it's down to 4. Let us cheat a little bit, and this is something really cool I wanted to show you. We can actually change the value of the variables here in the editor. And let's give ourselves a health of 15. So we're cheating a little bit. Let's make that change. And let's continue on. Let's try doing the machete this time.
You try to attack the hyena with your machete. Your health is 15. The health of the hyena is 3. Do you draw your spear, or your machete?
So we were successful that time, actually. We were able to inflict damage. However, with the machete, the weapon damage was 2, and originally for the hyena, the original attacker health was 5, and since we were successful, we subtracted 2. That's how we arrived at 3. So let's try again with the spear.
You try to attack the hyena with your spear. Your health is 15. The health of the hyena is 0.
Awesome. So we were successful. We were able to defeat the hyena, and right now we actually went to the next scene. We haven't implemented it yet, and that's the clearing. So we will get to that soon, but it looks like that logic is working. Let's see what happens if we die. So I'm going to quickly go back here. Let's start over.
Would you like to start playing? While exploring the jungle with an
Let's go to the right this time, and we will be facing up against a wild boar.
You stumble upon a wild.
So let's do the spear for the boar.
You try to attack the wild boar with your spear. Your health is 6. The health of the wild boar is 7. Do you draw your spear, or your machete?
So let's say we went a couple rounds, and we're going to put our health at 1. So we're going to do that, and let's save that there, and let's try spear. And we're trying to simulate here that if the wild boar has killed us, what happens in our narrative. So let's select machete.
You try to attack the wild boar with your machete. Your health is...
All right, so we were lucky that time. We damaged the wild boar. Let's increase the wild boar, and let's do the attacker health for the boar. Let's put him all the way up to 25. And let's go ahead and try machete again.
You try to attack the wild boar with your machete. Your health is -3. The health of the wild boar is 25. Sorry. You have died. You were not able to escape the jungle. Do you want to give it another shot? Would you like to start playing?
So in that scenario, unfortunately, we died. And if you remember from our code, we actually started over the skill. So we give the option to start over, and we actually transitioned or jumped to that start playing scene. And that's why we're back here, and that's why we're asked if we would like to start playing again. So looks like everything is working, our logic is working, and next up, let's work on the final escape scene.